Hello children, today we are going to learn new lesson Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So open page number 96 and let us start. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Goldilocks. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Goldilocks. एक गर्ल थी और उसके हेयर जो थे वो कर्ली थे. दैट्स वाई हर नेम वॉज कर्लीलॉक्स. वन डे शी वेंट इन टू द फॉरेस्ट नियर हर हाउस. वन डे वॉट हैपन, शी वेंट इन टू द फॉरेस्ट नियर हर हाउस. उसके हाउस के यहाँ पर एक फॉरेस्ट था, मीन्स जंगल, उसमें वो गई. शी सॉ अ कॉटेज एंड देयर शी सॉ अ कॉटेज. कॉटेज मीन्स अ स्मॉल वुडन हाउस एंड शी सॉ अ कॉटेज. कॉटेज एक ऐसा हाउस होता है जो वुड से बना होता है और वो स्मॉल होता है. एंड व्हेन शी वेंट इन टू द कॉटेज शी आस्क्ड इज एनीबडी इन. इज एनीबडी इन दैट मीन्स कोई अंदर है. शी आस्क्ड. देयर वॉज नो बडी. देयर वॉज नो बडी, वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था. द बेयर फैमिली लिव्ड इन द कॉटेज. द बेयर फैमिली लिव्ड इन द कॉटेज. बेयर की फैमिली वहाँ पे कॉटेज में रहती थी. एंड दे हैड गॉन फॉर अ वॉक. द बेयर फैमिली हैड गॉन फॉर अ वॉक. वो वॉक पे चले गए थे. कर्लीलॉक्स वेंट इन, दैट मीन्स शी एंटर्ड इन द हाउस, कि वो हाउस में एंटर हुई. कर्लीलॉक्स वेंट इन. शी वॉन्टेड टू सी हु लिव्ड देयर. नाउ शी वॉन्टेड टू सी हु लिव्ड देयर, कि वहाँ पे कौन रहता है वो देखना चाहती थी. शी सॉ 3 bowls of porridge on the table. What she saw? She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. वहाँ पे उसने 3 bowls of porridge. Porridge means breakfast of that bear family. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. There was a big bowl for a Papa Bear. Then a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear. Middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear. And a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. There are 3 bowls on the table. One is for Papa Bear, middle one is for Mama Bear, and remaining is for Baby Bear. Okay. Mama Goldilocks was hungry, and Goldilocks was hungry. उसे भूख लगी थी. So she ate the porridge from the big bowl. So she ate the porridge from the big bowl, and it was very hot. It was very hot. कि वो बहुत hot था. She ate from the middle size bowl. Then she ate from the middle size bowl. उसने middle size के bowl में से भी porridge खा लिया. It was too cold. हाँ, it was too cold. वो too cold, कि वो बहुत cold था. Which one? This one, middle one. And she ate from the tiny little bowl. She ate from the tiny little bowl. कि last में उसने tiny little bowl से भी खा लिया. And it was just right. It was just right, कि वो वही just right side में था. Goldilocks ate up all the porridge. Goldilocks ate up all the porridge. Goldilocks ने से all porridge खा लिए. Then she went to the bedroom. Then she went to the bedroom. And then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for a Baby Bear. After eating all the porridge, she went into bedroom, and there she saw 3 beds. कि एक ही बेड पे से 3 beds उसने देखे. One is for Papa Bear, one and middle size bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. And the big bed was very, now see on page number 98. The big bed was very hard. Big bed जो था, that was very hard. The middle size bed was too soft. Middle size bed was too soft, but the tiny little bed was just right. And tiny little bed वहीं पे just right side में था. Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed, and the bear family came back. Then the bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. कि पापा बेयर चिल्लाए, somebody ate my porridge, किसने तो मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट खा लिया. Big gruff voice, बड़े हार्श आवाज में वो चिल्लाए. Somebody ate my porridge too. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear also said, somebody ate my porridge too. मेरा भी किसने तो खा लिया. And somebody finished all my porridge. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. कि Baby Bear ने भी ऐसे tiny little voice में कहा कि somebody finished my all porridge. Finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Okay. And what happened? The bear family went to the bedroom. The bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Again Papa Bear shouted, somebody slept in my bed. कोई तो मेरे बेड में सोया है. And then somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear also said, somebody slept in my bed too. कि मेरे भी बेड पे कोई तो सोया है. Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Last tiny little voice, Baby Bear also said, somebody is sleeping in my bed. Then Goldilocks woke up. Goldilocks वहाँ से उठ गई. And she saw the three bears. She saw three bears. Suddenly she jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. And as she jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could, तो वहाँ से वो उसने जंप की and she वो वहाँ से भाग के गई fast. Okay. Okay children. This is a story which is adapted from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. किस बुक से ये स्टोरी ली गई है? Now we will see some new words. Curly. Curly means which is not straight. घुंघराले बाल हम कहते हैं ना, that is curly. Cottage is a house. It is made from wooden. वो जो cottage होता है ना, and it is small house. Then bowl. Bowl is a utensil where we use for breakfast. Bowl. Porridge. Porridge is a breakfast. Porridge means breakfast. Hungry. Hungry means उसे भूख लगी थी. It is hungry. Okay children, now we will see questions and answers of this story. First question is, write answers of the following questions. Write answers of the following questions. Who lived in the cottage in the forest? Who lived in the cottage in the forest? कि forest में कौन रहता था? And its answer is, the bear family lived in the cottage. The bear family lived in the cottage. Next is, what did Goldilocks see on the table? What did Goldilocks see on the table? And its answer is, Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Question 3 is, why did she eat up all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl? Why did she eat up all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl? And its answer is, she ate all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl as it was just right for her to eat. As it was just right for her to eat. कि वहाँ पे वो just right side में था, इसलिए उसने वो भी खा लिया. Next, whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? Whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? मतलब Goldilocks किसके बेड में सोई थी? And its answer is, Goldilocks slept in the Baby Bear's bed because the tiny little bed was just right for her to sleep. Goldilocks slept in the Baby Bear's bed because the tiny little bed was just right for her to sleep. Okay children, now we will see some questions from the textbook. So open page number 102.